You hoes be tripping. Like I won't bet you in your shit. Knock you like a dog, something, something, till you pit. I don't even know the words, y'all. Like, whatever. But that song is like literally living rent free right now. Like, But guys, I am here with a Megan Thee Stallion inspiration tutorial. And I'm super excited because if you know, I love my girl Megan. Like, bada yada 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 bada yada 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 yada. Y'all, go ahead and subscribe, okay? Because we're about to just jump straight on into it. So I already primed my face. I am going to be starting off using my Fenty Beauty Banana Setting Powder. And we're going to put that on the brows, baby. Get that in. Next, we're going to go ahead and use our spoolie as well as our eyebrow pencil. I am using the shade brown because I did dye my brows. But y'all, I've been noticing a little bit more here lately that it is starting to go back black. Like, somebody told me not too long ago that my eyebrows was going to stay light for a very, very long time. You lied, okay? You lied. But anywho, I am outlining my brows and getting everything nice and shaped up, ready to go. I really like this pencil. I'm just now really getting into the groove of actually using pencils on my brows. At first, I was using pomade, but you guys already know that because you've been on this channel. And yeah, I noticed a difference. Obviously, I'm still learning the brows. I do not know what it is about doing eyebrows, but your girl, look, I'm making slow progress when it comes to these eyebrows, okay? I'm making progress, but slow progress because people be slaying their brows, baby, and we just are not there yet. We're gonna go ahead and jump straight into our Juvia's palette. I believe this is like the Nubian Queen palette, and we're gonna use these two colors right here. I already pretty much set my eyes with my concealer. I'm gonna go in with that dark brown right into the crease, guys, and I'm just gonna take my time and build that color up. Look at Megan in the background, just looking good, baby, just looking good. Like, whoever did her makeup, I just really personally just feel like I just want to meet you because she slayed Megan to the guys. Like, that highlight, I can't even get that type of highlight yet. And I'm definitely about to just start really just working on different things and just stepping outside of my comfort zone because this inspiration tutorial that I'm doing has really inspired me to just really push myself a little bit further. And I'm just gonna let you know now, all makeup artists are different, but it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? If you did not notice, I did go in with that lighter brown to just go ahead and buff everything out. That is my transition shade. So that is what I'm doing right here, right now, guys. All right. So next we are going to do like a semi-cut crease, nothing too major, not no deep cut crease, because everything around the eye area is supposed to look as natural as possible. But remember, all makeup artists are different, so our techniques literally are going to have different results. Next, I was just like feeling myself, but we're gonna just use that lighter shade to go over that concealer that I used to cut the creases to kind of get everything blended in nicely. So just, we just want everything to still look very, very natural. Look at my face. I just really thought I was doing something. I was like, baby, yo, I'm about to kill this look. I'm getting ready to kill this look. And child, the look turned out okay. I'm just going to say that right now. The look turned out okay. I am not really good at mimicking others' work, mainly because it's just hard. Like, everybody just do different things. And everybody has their own little niche. And baby, this was a challenge, okay? Definitely a challenge. Whew, let me go ahead and get my glasses. I think that's what I was saying because I was kind of zooming in. But anyway, this is where it gets really, really difficult. Like, child, I was trying to get that black liner and I was just like, okay, we're just going to go ahead and go with the flow and act like we know what we're doing because, baby, the camera is in front of us. So we're going to act like we know what we're doing. Child, I didn't even know what I was doing. I didn't know where to begin, where to end. I just got straight to the point, okay? So as you guys can see, I am using my black liner. This is an eyeliner. And I'm just trying to create that shape, that wing shape that she has. Now, don't get me wrong. I can do really good eye art. But for some reason, when it comes to me and black liner and the detail of it, oh, baby, it's a gift. And it's a gift that I do not have. But I'm going to get it. We're going to get it. Okay, so since I didn't really know what to do to get that look that Megan has, I was like digging, like I gotta find me something. So I found me some eyeshadow, all black eyeshadow. This is from like Maybelline. I think I got this from like Walgreens. And baby, I made a mess because look, I was irritated because I knew I was about to mess up even more. But I just decided to take my angle brush and just go over that line that I already created. And just, you know, at this point, we're just winging it and we're just hoping for the best. Like, can we create this look? Well, to the best of our abilities, we can. Let me know down in the comments, like, what do you guys think so far? Because, baby, I'm just proud of myself for not quitting. Because, honey, when stuff started looking like it ain't trying to, like it's not supposed to look, baby, modelarieamore will give up on that ass. And I was like, should I just go ahead and end the video here? But no, I decided not to. I decided to keep going and just go with the flow. So I'm just blending everything out because I felt like in the photo it looked like it was blended out, but then I realized at the end, baby, that ain't what was going on. That ain't what was going on. So then I tried to go get my other brush and try to just smoothen everything out, and baby, it was not giving Megan Thee Stallion. Okay, it was just more so as giving newbie, and that's okay because I'm a newbie. If you want to call me a newbie, I'm a newbie. So what I decided to do was use my liquid liner, this is in black, to try to get some type of detail. And I was feeling it for a bit. I was like, okay, maybe this is gonna work. But then the more that I looked at it and the more that I realized this is not what Megan's makeup artist had. But baby, the show just goes on. Continue. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face down because, baby, as you can see, I got the lashes on. I decided to keep it moving. We're just gonna keep it moving. I am using 2 different shades. Both of these are, no, each of them are the same shades, but one is in Morphe brand, Morphe, and the other one is Juvia's, guys. They're literally the same color, but the Morphe is more mattifying, whereas the Juvia's is not. But I do like the combination together. However, I did use way too much. So let me just go ahead and say that now. It gave me more of a dewy effect, and that's because I just used too much of the Juvia. So anywho, moving on. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend. I'm blending with my buffer brush. I really honestly think this is my last time using this brush to do my foundation, because the other day, you guys, I've been kind of playing around with different techniques, and I found that I do not like the finish when I use this brush. So this is actually the last time you guys are going to be seeing me use this brush for my foundation. And I might find something else that I like to use it for, but as of right now, it will no longer be my foundation brush. I do already have some other brushes that I like better as far as spreading my foundation, and those brushes was not clean, so I just couldn't really use it in this video. But then when I went back to this brush, I was like, baby, I don't like this brush. But anyway, we're gonna use our powder puff, baby. The powder puff is a game changer when applying your powder foundation, okay? Just pay attention to the smoothness that it creates. It just does something completely different to your makeup. And this is also something very new to my makeup routine, guys. I literally just started this the other day. Like, when I tell y'all that I did create a whole new makeup routine, I had to give, like, I need to record an updated makeup video for you guys. That way you can see it, like, because this video is not doing any justice for the new techniques that I'm using. So I had to kind of get that together for you guys. But yeah, I'm just getting that foundation on, and then I still use my my brush. This is a powder brush. I don't know if that's what it's called, but I just wanted to make sure everything was nicely blended and smooth. That's all. So that's what I did. I'm using 2 different concealers. One is a lighter shade and one is a darker shade. I'm putting the darker shade on first, as you can see, and then I'm going to go over it with that light shade right around the nose. And also, guys, this was just way too much concealer for my liking at this point, you know. I don't know why I decided to use more concealer than I've been using, but we are here, and that's what this video is about. Just all about learning, guys. Modelarieamore's makeup room, where we learn and grow together. Okay, guys, so while that is sitting, we're gonna go ahead and start these lips with that black liner. Outline them lips, baby. And honey child, I don't know what it is about me, but when I be doing other people's lips, I be like so nervous. Like, I do better on my lips than I do on other people's lips, and I do better makeup on my clients' makeup than I do on my own makeup. Is that weird? Because I just don't understand. Like, God, if my purpose is not to be doing makeup on myself, let me know. Give me a sign. However, even if he gave me a sign, I wouldn't even, like, I love putting makeup on me. You know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to get good at putting it on myself. Because, baby, I be beating my client's face to the guys, okay? Like, they be looking real good. But anyway, that's neither nor here nor there. We're gonna go in with this burgundy. I don't know what color this is, baby. I'm colorblind. And I'm gonna outline them because I wanted to give my lips that natural pink pop that Megan had. And baby, I still probably did it wrong, but I don't care because I enjoyed the combination. Like, for real. Like, y'all about to see. So I went in with a nude lip gloss, baby. And honey, it was definitely given. I don't care if it was Megan lips or not. I love it. So it's time to go ahead and just blend out all of those highlighted areas and just get everything in nice and smooth, you know what I'm saying? So I went under the eyes, forehead, chin, you know, around the nose, and just let it do what it do. You know, keep blending until you can't blend no more. Keep blending until you can't blend no more. Woo woo. Body yada 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 yada. Megan. Anyway, you guys, so I'm using another brush. This is more of a very firm brush to just blend those harsh lines away, baby, because I'm too far in the game to be having harsh lines. So you gotta get rid of those harsh lines, okay? That's one thing I do not. And I'm also gonna be using the same brush a little bit later. So guys, pay attention. Pay attention. And watch when I do this forehead. Boom, 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 boom. Everything will to this brush will just appear. Like, boom. Harsh lines, goodbye. And I'm just like, Megan's in the back just watching me like, girl, do your thing. Do your thing. I'm like, deep down, I'm just like, baby. Baby. I try to do it for you. But anyway, I'm going in with my setting powder. This is the same setting powder from Fenty, okay? In the shade Banana. And that could be why it wasn't really bright, because I honestly used this shade when I want to do like a natural look, because once everything starts to oxidize, you know, with the makeup and your sweat, blah, 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 over time, it really starts to look really good. But for this particular look, y'all know what I'm trying to say. For this particular look, I think I should have used like a translucent or maybe like a whiter powder. I don't know. I'm going to practice it, okay? And when I learn it, you know I'm going to show the girls, okay? I'm going to show the girls, so don't even worry. Like, y'all, if y'all look at my makeup videos from now and scroll on back, you're going to see the progress. That's all I'm going to say. You're going to see the progress. So I'm not even worried about it at this point. I'm just going to keep on doing me, because your girl is definitely learning. And I just enjoy what I do. Like, I don't even care to have anything perfect, because I'm not a perfect person. As long as when people pay me, that shit comes out clear, okay? When I get paid, baby, I'm a whole different breed. But right now, I'm just having fun, enjoying myself, trying something different. I don't even mind it. So now I'm going in with my bronzer, and we're just going to hit them spots. Cheekbones, forehead, chin. Well, y'all know what I'm saying. Not really the chin, but that under the chin part. And we're just going to go ahead and get everything nice and warm, because, baby, that's what we going to do. You know, I love me some bronzer, and this bronzer is from Juvia's Place, guys. Yes, I'm still using her bronzer, because why not? It's affordable and it works, and there's nothing to do. And I'm also about to be getting her blush, because, baby, I seen a tutorial on somebody was using her blush, and that blush was blushing, okay? So I said, oh, okay. Yeah. Definitely about to go get the blush. But anyway, let me just quit playing. So this is the area when I said chin area. This is what I meant, okay? Whatever that's called. We need to hit that. And just get everything nicely blended, guys. And I'm just like, you know, it's a cute look. I think it's a cute look. It's a cute little, I'm about to go to the grocery store look. But dang, the way that it looks on Megan. Oh my God. Anyway, let's just go ahead and contour this nose. Get everything nice and snatched. Baby, I do know how to contour this nose, though. And look at me talking to my kids. Because I know my daughter kept on interrupting me, and she was really pissing me off. And I was just like, you don't see me recording. You do not see me recording. And I was just like, okay, let me just go ahead and wrap this video up, because I'm ready to not cut on the dome. But anyway, she got a YouTube channel, y'all. Loves yoga. go and subscribe to her, because baby, she needs something to do. She's almost at 100 subscribers, honey, and she gets some. I think she said if she get 100 subscribers, she will get out of my face. So I'm gonna need y'all to go and show some love. Anyway, so we just go ahead and blend in. You know, this is just what I like to do, is that nose. I'm getting really good at my nose. I just hate the fact that, you know, it's still not looking like Megan's look. But anyway, I'm gonna hit it with that setting powder to go ahead and get rid of any harsh lines. So girls, if you are new to contouring your nose, throw that setting powder literally right here where that line stops, and then brush it in, smooth everything out, and baby, them harsh lines will be completely gone. Okay, so just do that, take your time, and everything will start to really look natural. So that's what I did. All right, I'm just looking at myself like, you know, as I but look at Megan next to me like, bitch, you could never. Baby, y'all know I could never, because your makeup artist is a beast. But baby, when I get to her level, this video will definitely be a redo on my list, because I'm gonna hit it hard, okay? But your girl definitely does not look like Megan Thee Stallion, but I do look like me, Aria Moore, and that's the only person I know how to be, and I do it well. So thank you so much for watching the video, you guys. I hope you are subscribed, and until next time.